I go make sure say free and fair election come for 2023 and na one of my legacies as Presido of Naija. Buhari na him talk this one for the United Nations General Assembly. Presido Muhammadu Buhari yarn the United Nations General Assembly for the last time as Presido of Naija say one of the legacy wey go leave behind as Presido na free, fair and peaceful election wey Nigerians go fit elect leaders of their choice. Presido Buhari yarn this one as he deliver Naija national statement for the 77th United Nations General Assembly for New York on Wednesday.
As President, I have set the goal that one of the enduring legacies I would like to leave is to entrench a process of free, fair, and transparent, credible election through which Nigerians elect leaders of their choice. As the 78th Anga, there will be a new face at this podium speaking for Nigeria.
It talks say Nigeria don't support democracy for West Africa sub-region and Nigeria believe in constitutional term limits.
In Nigeria, not only have we worked to strengthen our democracy, but we have supported it and promoted the rule of law in our sub-region. We have seen the corrosive impact on values when leaders elsewhere seek to change the rules to stay in power. We believe in the sanctity of constitutional term limits, and we have steadfastly adhered to it in Nigeria.
Buhari constituency has plenty challenges there, na so plenty opportunities berekete, and our strongest moments na tolerance and peaceful living.
We live in extraordinary times with independent challenges but enormous opportunities. The face of change can seem bewildering, with sometimes a palpable and unsettling sense of uncertainty about our future. Our strongest moments have always been when we remain true to the basic principle of tolerance, community, and abiding commitment to peace and goodwill towards all.
It talks here to tackle these challenges, we must come together to defend freedom of speech and come help strengthen our communities.
In confronting these challenges, we must also come together to defend freedom of speech while upholding other values that we cherish. We must continue to work for a common standard that balances rights with responsibilities to keep the most vulnerable from harm and help strengthen and enrich communities.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC and be your power. Not tell I'm giving any politician on election day.